Okay, we'll see how this guy works. Got the little injector module and the reservoir. Just, ring, ring. One-handed. Yes, this is, oh nice. Perfect. All right, so I got my green electric ratchet back the other day, and it just sounds so smooth, especially when compared to some of the other more seasoned electric ratchets. But I want these ones to sound like this one, so I think it's time for some tool maintenance. This is just going to be a short 5-minute quickie. I have to do some lubrication injection, and we're going to see if it runs any better. There happens to be a little port right there, and that is where the grease goes in. And it has dawned on me, there's some tools that I've had for like 10 years that I've never lubed, like this little angle grinder. So I'll try this one too. We'll do an experiment to see if they sound any better before and after. Beep. Okay. The injector is injecting. Oh, it was. Uh-oh. Squeeze the tube here. Come on. Come on, do it. It's not. Ah, there we go. Let's see how this works out. I'll give it a couple good pumps, and that should be all that I need. Yeah, it doesn't sound that great. Switches gears better. More lube. I think I have to pump it into the injector and then inject it into the tool. I think that's how this is going. Is that a car wreck on the radio? I hope everyone's okay. Yeah, it's still going. I don't know, maybe it sounds a little better. Next. No, we don't want that, sir. You can keep it. Oh yeah, that's I feel it going in. Oh, need to prime it. Now I think all the sound is in the motor. I don't think there's much sound coming out of the head. Whoa, I overfilled it. Too much lubricant. Give it a good wipe me down. Next victim. Ooh, this one sounds good. Okay, let's see how this one does. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, I've never, ever greased this tool. Broke it. Runs worse with lube. Might have been too much lube. Found a leak. Made a huge mess. That wasn't cool. Oh no, I got it everywhere. I need a wet wipe. Nice and shiny. All right guys, I think that's all the lube injection I can handle for one day. Thanks for watching. Mission complete. End of transmission.